Hello there, today I'll be showing you how to redeem points on Pandabuy, and this is how to do it. You simply need to go to your user account, click the symbol, and then click on User Center. Once you are in User Center, you should be able to see how much Panda points you have associated with your account. This will allow you to redeem your Panda points. Thus, it should appear here, and then you just need to go to My Points to redeem some of the items here. When you click on that, a pop-up will appear asking for the redemption code. This is the website where you can browse the redeemable items on Pandabuy. This is See and Fair, so you'll have to look for it. After that, you'll have to click on this to try to look for the redeemable items. Once you have found the item you want to redeem, for example, you will have to click on that to have it take you to the page with the number of Panda points that you need to get. Additionally, you must copy the redeem code and return to Pandabuy. After that, try pasting it and redeeming with your existing points. In my case, a message stating that not enough Panda points are available to redeem the item displays. That completes the process of utilizing See and Fair to redeem Panda points for your Panda account. And there you have it. That is how to redeem points on Pandabuy. We appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Until next time.